let's talk about difficult life of business automation engineer or ETL developer or data warehouse developer or data analyst. So we believe that every software must make life of developers easier. Say, for example, we want to work with FTP files and we want to see the list of the files on our FTP server. We can use the third-party software like FileZilla, but in case of advanced ETL processor, because we want to use life of developers easier, we have embedded FTP Browser. Let me show how it works. I have already created a connection to our local Docker server, and we have a magic button called Browse Data. And you can just click, connect to it. And if we click on any folder, for example, home, we can see the test folder inside. What we can do, we can actually upload the file into it. We can even create a folder, or we can delete the file. This dialog is also accessible from FTP-related actions. Let's create new FTP workflow. If you just drag and drop connection, it will create download action for us automatically. So what we can do here, as you can see, the connection is already selected, and there's a remote folder, and we can actually click connect and do exactly the same. We can select home, select test, and we can click OK. As you can see, the folder is selected for us automatically. As you can see, we care about the developers, and if you have any suggestions, how can we make our software any better, please go to our support forum and post your suggestions there, and we will do our best to help you. Again, as usual, please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.